Was a perfect fit and it looks great and the price was great. It looked good on my truck, worked just right. I'll be buying more like this, thank you. Love it, it's all I can say except beautiful fit. We had a truck that was hit and run. This fit just fine and looks good as the original, just doesn't have the chrome strip or emblem, but you can add those on later if you want, or just leave it all black. Fits perfectly, looks great and nothing missing or broken when installing. Great product and fit well. Flexible and lightweight and mostly sturdy. Still have mine on 3 years later and no cracks so far. So the box arrived torn and ripped and the only thing holding the side together was a small piece of tape. I for sure thought the grill would be busted up, but it was actually well wrapped and only had one little scratch in the corner. The installation was very easy and the fit is just like the original. My 90 Chevy Silverado K1500Z71 had an additional trim piece above the bumper that needed to be trimmed a little to make this fit, but other than that it was a direct fit. I love it and would recommend to anyone who needs/wants a new grill. Click link in description for more reviews.